Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Click at the search line at the top and write EARFUN. Search, and you need to install the application what called EARFUN Audio. Now open it, agree. You can sign in into your account, but I'm going to skip it. Then allow to add these earbuds and allow. Now plus, and we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check this video. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!